Welcome, my pen friends, to Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. This is another mail call. In fact, I'm going to be doing 4 boxes today of unboxing, I believe. And I'll show you what's inside, just talk a little bit about it, and then later I'll be doing reviews. Also have some updated reviews on some other cool low-end pens. So I got a little bit of high-end, mid to low-end, but some really delicious pens that will hopefully grab your attention. So let's open up this little beauty that just came in the door. I don't know, it's 4:36 p.m. here in Texas, and it just came in maybe 10 minutes ago. So let's open it up. And there's a story to go with this that I will share during the review. And we're just going to pull it out of the sleeve and let you get a little look-see. I think it's a gorgeous pen. Let's look at it together. That is a gorgeous looking Conklin Durograph Green. That is, to me, a beautiful pen. So, hope you like that pen. Got a good shot of that? All right, let's go ahead and clam that shut. And as we move on to our next colleague. Very interesting pen. Now this one unfortunately doesn't have a box, and I bought it used but in really good condition. Alright, here we go. No pen case, like I said. And usually, you know, I really like to keep pen cases with them if all possible, because if I decide to trade, give away, or sell them, I like to put them in the pen case if I possibly can. But unfortunately, this doesn't have the pen case. But I'm okay, because this pen, I'm not going to sell, give it away, or anything. This is the beautiful Conklin Mark Twain Crescent. Beautiful pen. Has a 1.1 stub. And I had a pen exactly like this, but it was a medium nib that I sold years back to buy some other pens. I like the pen so much. I like the color. Like the way it feels in the hand. I like the way it writes. So, you know what? I said I want it back, and I did. So, slowly but surely, I am purchasing some of the pens that I can afford to get back into my collection. We'll set this aside for now. And we have another one here. So let's get this little deal started. And thank you to one of my viewers who sent me this cool knife to open up boxes with. I believe this is the Big Daddy. Parker, of course. Let me set this aside. Parker fountain pen. But what Parker pen lies in this box? Ready? And we'll open it. Here it is, my friend. The Parker Centennial Big Red. Beautiful pen. You know, I've been thinking about this pen for some years now. It's got a gold nib. Medium, I believe. Make sure I'm right. $7.50 gold. Ta-da, ta-da. And I'm looking here at the nib. Medium nib. And a friend of mine has the pen. It's a nice looking pen. I prefer the gold trims more than I do the silver trims. That's just me. But I got this pen at really just a great deal on it. Just because I've seen them range anywhere from $380, $400 up to $800 on eBay. But I didn't get it off eBay. So, great looking fountain pen. And it comes with a couple of cartridges, instructions, and I will go over that later. But yes, I do love Parker pens. Parker and Waterman especially, Esterbrook, and a few other vintage Weaver. Is it called Weaver? Something like that, pens. All right. So let's put that over here. And we'll do the last but not least. Here's one I've been dying to show you. And we'll open this little jewel up. I mean, I fell in love with it when I saw it. I hope you guys really get into it. I think it's really a nice set. Beautiful set. Comes nicely packed. And here it is, my friends. It's the Duraflex rather. It's a 3 limited edition Duraflex fountain pens. The water, earth, and fire. And let me just get it out of the box before I do. This is 267 of 300 that were made. Let me just give you a little look inside the box because I'm dying to look at it as well. Alright. Let me make sure it's ready. Here we go. First look. Are we ready? And here we go. This box has a lot going on in it, so here we go. The red is fire. The earth tone colors, middle one here, is going to be earth. Last but not least, this is going to be water. And it comes with a bottle of Conklin ink. Now that is going to be awesome. Awesome for review. Lots of fun to do, I think. So, I hope you guys will join me when I get this ready for review. So we got this Conklin, and we got this Conklin going on. Then we got the daddy of them all, the Durograph. I mean the Parker Centennial Big Red. So got a lot going on, and remember we got the going with this is going to be the Parker Jotter fountain pen, and hopefully that other Parker Jotter that I hope I mailed it to Brad. When he gets home, he'll let me know if it came in the mail. Please, 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 you can't forget this one as well. Conklin, the Mark Twain. Very nice. Nice haul for today. You know, I'm really, really loving it. Beautiful. You know, there's no better high than fountain pens. Don't you think, folks? I mean, I can go crazy just digging fountain pens. You know, that's my heart. I love fountain pens. And before I go, I just want to say a special thank you to all those folks that have helped me through the years, sending fountain pens for review, also helped by donating fountain pens. And thank you for those as well that have pledged through the Patreon and PayPal. That's helped more than you know. People have asked me, well, Larry, do you make a lot of money off it? No, I don't. Maybe under, what, 10, 15 bucks or whatever it may be. I don't remember. But anyway, it's a thought that counts. So, I'm really happy. I'm pleased with my channel. I'm pleased with the reviews I do. I'm happy with me. I'm happy. If I can make you happy, you've made my day. So, remember, if you haven't subscribed to my humble channel, please do so now. And don't forget to hit that little bell so it will notify you when I load up another beautiful fountain pen. I don't care if it's 99 cents to $1,000. I love all fountain pens. Thank you. God bless. And remember, most of all, please don't text and drive. And sometimes I may forget to say that, but as always, my heart says, don't text and drive. It's dangerous. Bye-bye. Later, folks.